So today we have a nice beautiful Toyota Hilux 2023 model 2.8 GD-6. We're going to show the charging capabilities of the PBE system for a single battery. And if we start the car now, you will see that we are going to sense the charging system. It does that automatically. It starts with a nice 23 amp charge rate, test the vehicle, and from there we're going to increase the current to the 40 amp level, which is quite powerful. This can charge 1 to 2 batteries easily, and in much less time than your normal DC to DCs. That's usually 20 to 30 amps. Once we go to the second battery, we can increase this power to 65 amps, and lithium we can go as well 40-50 amp. It's not a problem on a single battery. So this battery is charging properly, nice amperes going through, and I'm gonna wait a bit. Maybe let's switch off the power, switch off the engine. The charging rate goes down. The system senses that the alternator is not charging anymore, so it switches off. So I'm gonna let it charge a while, and then we're going to come back and see how the charging rate comes down after a while, because the battery is going to be fully charged, or closer to fully charged by then. Let's just see it going up again to the 40 amp level. There it goes, charging beautifully. 2.8 GD-6 Toyota Hilux 2023 model with a smart alternator and all those standard things. We didn't change anything on the alternator. We've got our PBE system, our main fuse, and the alternator connection. So it's a very simple and easy system to use. We set it up according to each client's usage. Okay, so after charging a while, the current is at 20 amps, so the battery is getting higher now. It's reaching a better point. I'm going to check in the owner's cubby there. Yeah, it's going higher, so it's reaching a higher point now. So this is working well.